Hello, this is Victor at RestoreYourMercedes.com. This video is for Tom in Ohio, and these are throttles from, it appears to be either 94 or 95 S600. Okay, Tom, so this is what I see. As I told you before in the email that one of the throttles is replaced. So now I don't know which one, to be honest with you, because either of them is a replacement one. The reason that I know is you can tell by bolts. So this is the older style unit. This usually is found in 94, and this unit is found in 95. All right, that's just in your car. The reason being is that you can see the bolts are smaller. Okay, so that's a different type of unit. Internals are also different on this one. This is the one that has issues with motors. This one doesn't have issues with motors. It's loud, but the motors, at least, I never saw them fail in these style units with bigger bolts. Now these wires will be bad regardless, no question about it, because all of these old style units will have bad cables. I just know, so that is to be done. Now this unit I thought is a brand new one, but unfortunately, as you can see, it's kind of destroyed, really. The wires are totally messed up. Now, this is kind of scary thing to do. I just hooked these things up. I'm gonna energize your e-gas on top of that. This is your e-gas right here. I'm gonna do it very quickly, see what happens if these energize, because you do not really want to have this very combination. As you can see, they're connected together. Connected to the e-gas if it works, because shorts, you know, if you have shorts, then I don't know where they short, how badly they short, but anyway, I'll energize it real quick and see what happens, because I'm sure you did it many times on your end. All right, so let's do this. Power source is on is a little way, so let me power it up. Okay. Okay, so this is a good sign. Don't mind the noise. That's what I'm talking about. These are very loud. Some of them are quieter, some of them are louder, but that's just not a problem. Good news is, and that's a really good news, is that even with these shorts, throttles activate. That's nice. Makes me think that e-gas is alive. So let me shut it down. I don't want to do it for long. I don't want to have them energized for too long, because God knows which wires are shorted at this point or not. I mean, obviously they're not really shorted at this point, but as you can see the condition, this is terrible. You just touch the insulation and it flakes right off. So this is obviously to be done. Also on this one, the motor, this is a problematic motor. Well, problems with brushes all the time, and it seizes if brushes get stuck. So we don't really want that to get to that point. Well, anyway, so you see the combination works. So now both throttles to be rewired. This one motor to be opened up, brushes filed down. This one usually just a general cleanup and rewiring. The motor will be loud. I'm gonna clean it up a little bit. It'll get a little quieter. Lubricate gears, because there are also metal gears inside this unit versus this one. You see there's plastic gear here, and this one is a little bit quieter. And the teeth, they're more coarse. There are more fine. The teeth in this unit, they're more fine, just like these. You see, there's a fine teeth. All right, and this is the coarse. So this one is different unit from this one, but they will work the same. Don't worry about that. It's just that different design styles make this one louder than this one. Okay, so this is gonna be all for me for now. I'm gonna have to actually go do some other things. I got some ignition coils here laying around. I gotta get some of them done, and then I'll get to these units either later on in the day or tomorrow. To the end of the week, I'll get to them, rewire them, put them on the test, and off we go. At the same time, I'll also put this unit into one of my cars and just drive. Let my girlfriend drive on with this unit in her car, just to see if this unit stands to heat stands up to heat. Like when it heats up in the computer compartment where all the computers are, let's just give it a little bit of a workout, I would say. So let it work 30-40 miles and see what happens. That's what our usual commute for a couple of days, 15 miles each way, 30 miles a day. So yeah, 60 miles. I think 2 days should be enough. Even 1 day is enough. Once these units are done and this one is tested on the vehicle, then I can conclude that the combination will be sorted, ready to go. Alright, so this is all for me. This is Victor at restoringmercedes.com. This video is for Tom in Ohio. This is part 1. Next part is gonna come when I have these units already repaired. Alright, thank you for watching.